Hey everybody, out there in Groovy Groove, YouTube, Walmartville. Sorry, I just came from Walmart. It's still in my brain.
Hi everybody! We're gonna watch a new channel. Never watched this one before.
Yeah, the locked room.
So, yeah, the locked room.
Yeah, so
if you like what you see, check out his channel, subscribe to him.
He has almost no one. I think
like
he has
new.
almost as me. Almost as much as me.
I don't even think he's been going a month, because we were trying to get, like, the oldest videos.
Yeah. Yep, so make sure to go over, like, subscribe, blah, blah, blah.
Oh, wait. This one, up at the top, you'll see it. 10 disturbing doorbell camera footage. So it's not technically ghost. It could be anything that's
just
weird,
disturbing.
creepy.
Hopefully naked women.
Oh my god. Yeah, that is disturbing. That would be disturbing.
Yeah, I want to go to the door.
In this first video, a Ring doorbell camera captured a frightening incident that rattled a Los Angeles neighborhood.
Woman, if you're coming outside, get pants on.
One worried resident outside to investigate.
You just put a blanket around?
Yes!
The camera captured a woman frantically crying out for help. It appears the screams were coming from a white car driving down the street. A man's voice could also be heard in the video saying what sounds like, "I'm sorry." Take a look.
I don't know, if you're coming outside to this, I would definitely put pants on.
Or at least call the police.
Yeah.
It does sound like a woman screaming for help.
In this second video, a creepy
Okay.
person
I need answers!
Yeah.
doorbell. They thought it was a
What?
UPS because they had a package coming at 8, so ignored it.
At night, you thought it was UPS?
To their surprise, their package wasn't there, so they checked their camera. And found this.
I know. This seems staged.
It could be staged. Especially carrying around a lollipop. It must be pitch black outside, and they couldn't see where the doorbell button was.
Totally not answering the door. Just so we're on the same page.
And is that supposed to be like a pumpkin head?
Yeah.
Or an alien?
Pumpkin.
It looks like a skull. I don't know.
During the killer clown.
Ugh, not clowns.
This scary-looking clown comes up to the homeowner's front door and just seems to oddly walk around and stare at the doorbell, seemingly with ill intent, and then eventually leaves.
It's a fucking clown. If you see a clown in real life, it's most likely ill, it's not gonna be good.
Now, during Halloween, around our area, there was reports of people dressing up as clowns.
Yeah, it's a Midwestern town. That's a bad idea. People have guns.
Yeah.
People use guns. Don't do that. Bad idea. Then he runs away.
Abby! Now this looks like a kid.
Witness what seems to be a terrifying-looking child approach the front door.
Because I think it is
Yeah,
a
look.
child.
Yeah.
Now, what happened when they eventually checked the footage?
Because that is so small. There's just no way.
Yeah.
In this video, 2 criminals were caught on camera trying to break into this homeowner's house. Once told he was calling the cops, they immediately fled the scene. Take a look.
Well,
Oh, there's a camera.
and when they noticed the camera, they left.
Yeah. It's like, son of a bitch.
If you're going to break into a house, why on earth would you not look to see if there were cameras?
Hello. Yeah, I don't think we said that right. Totally. They noticed the camera.
Oh, Are they coming back?
Hello?
How would they come back?
Stupid.
Oh.
Oh.
Look at you.
What the? Boom! Ah, son of a bitch! My leg wasn't strong
Seemingly
enough.
on drugs, this man tries to smash this homeowner's door. Who knows what his plan is?
Well, it'd be nice if we could hear him. Stop being like.
Hey! Stop that. Leave my house or I'm calling the police. Okay, what you need to do... Hey, leave my house. Stop now or I'm calling the police. Why would you tell me that? Because you're trying to push my door in. Leave now.
We're about to smash what's in there.
Oh, okay.
I'm calling the police.
Call the police.
Why
Jesus
are you
Christ.
like I'm about to?
Yeah.
Just do it.
Fucking call the
Approaches
police.
Front door with a knife in her hand.
Now, I feel
seemingly
bad for this lady.
contemplating What she wants to do next. Take a look.
She's obviously elderly.
Yeah.
She could have dementia
Yeah, she is.
or Alzheimer's because people with Alzheimer's, they get to a point where they don't sleep at night. They roam. And some of them can get out of the house. Many cases like that. Especially how she's like rocking, you know.
Oh, Jesus.
This strange man gets caught licking the
Ew.
homeowner's doorbell for a
Yeah.
long time.
Yeah.
Seemingly with no
Ugh,
intention
bleach!
of
I need
keeping
bleach! Bleach!
We don't
Someone
need
get a
this.
spray bottle!
We don't need this, sir.
Ugh, spray him!
Oh, Lord. This is graphic. I'm sorry. I should have warned you.
Spray him with bleach! Oh, gosh, no!
This strange woman walks up to the door and starts speaking in a language that nobody could discern. After violently shaking her head, she leaves, and then the homeowners call the police. Nobody has been able to find or identify her.
Okay.
This is probably drugs.
Yeah. I wanted to hear this language that no one can identify.
Don't do drugs,
This
people.
last
Yeah.
video is clearly fake, but I just put it in here to break the ice, have a look, and hopefully have a laugh.
Oh, alright.
What on earth?
If you guys know what he's saying, please put it down in the comments below.
That's in Spanish,
I'd be
right?
very
I think
interested.
so.
I don't know what he said. I'm sorry.
In this second video, the homeowner heard their doorbell ring, and they thought it was a US, and thought
Oh, it's
he's
bloopers.
doing bloopers from
Bloopers.
his thing.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Well,
That's the first channel I've seen that added bloopers.
Yeah. Well, no. That old guy I watch, he does the bloopers.
Which guy?
You know, he does those old horror movies.
Oh, well, yeah, he does. But I mean, on other channels, you don't really see him doing bloopers.
Yeah.
So I like that. I didn't think his videos were bad.
Yeah. Alright, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to go over to the channel, subscribe, like his videos. He had tons of videos.
Oh my gosh.
You know, and if you want to like our channel or subscribe, feel free. You don't have to, though.
Yeah.
Alright.
We do like talking to you guys.
Oh, yeah, we do like comments. Feel free to comment, you know.
Yeah.
The whole I don't have balls things comes up at all the time. Bring that up in normal conversations. It's great.
You're crazy. Anyways, I have to get to cooking dinner, so...
That's right. She's got jobs, people. Jobs.
So everybody have a nice day, week. I'm not sure what day you're watching this, but we will see you later. Bye.